Happy New Year, everyone! Feeling motivated to make this year your healthiest yet? Me too. Let's start with our plates. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. We're talking delicious, easy recipes you can prep ahead. Get ready to feel energized and amazing. This isn't about strict diets. It's about feeling your best. These meal prep ideas will save you time and keep you on track. We've got breakfast, lunch, dinner, even snacks covered. Ready to ditch the takeout menus and embrace a healthier lifestyle? Let's do this. Breakfast is key, but who has time for a big production every morning? Between getting ready for work, preparing the kids for school, and trying to squeeze in a workout, mornings can be hectic. Not us. That's where overnight oats come in. They are the perfect solution for those busy mornings when you need something quick, nutritious, and delicious. These little jars of goodness are packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. They are not only convenient, but also customizable to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, which are a great source of fiber and can help keep you full until lunchtime. Half a cup of milk, any kind, whether you prefer almond, soy, or cow's milk. It adds a creamy texture and essential nutrients. A quarter cup of yogurt, which provides probiotics for gut health and a nice tangy flavor. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. And a pinch of cinnamon, which not only adds flavor, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Instructions: grab your favorite jar or container. It can be a mason jar, a Tupperware, or any airtight container you have on hand. Mix oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, sweetener, and cinnamon. Make sure everything is well combined so that the flavors meld together perfectly. Stir well, seal it up, and refrigerate overnight. The oats will absorb the liquid and soften, creating a creamy, pudding-like texture by morning. Wake up to a delicious breakfast. Just grab your jar from the fridge, give it a good stir, and enjoy. You can eat it cold or warm it up in the microwave for a minute. Top with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for added crunch and flavor. It's the perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Lunch break should feel like a treat, not a chore. Imagine savoring every bite of a delicious, nutritious meal that fuels your body and delights your taste buds. This quinoa salad is bursting with flavor and keeps well for days. It's a perfect blend of textures and tastes, making it a go-to option for anyone looking to eat healthy without compromising on taste. Make a big batch on Sunday, and you're set for the week. This way, you can save time and ensure you have a nutritious meal ready whenever hunger strikes. Ingredients: 1 cup of cooked quinoa, which is a great source of protein and fiber. 1 cup of chopped veggies, cucumber, bell peppers, tomatoes, anything goes. Adding a burst of color and vitamins to your salad. Half a cup of chickpeas, which are rich in protein and add a nice texture. A quarter cup of crumbled feta cheese for a creamy and tangy flavor. Olive oil and lemon juice for dressing. Instructions: combine cooked quinoa, veggies, chickpeas, and feta in a bowl. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious blend of flavors and nutrients. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. This simple dressing enhances the natural flavors of the ingredients without overpowering them. Season with salt and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to your taste, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Toss everything together and enjoy. This salad is not just a meal, it's an experience. Each forkful is a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients coming together to create something truly special. Section 4. Dinner Delight, Simple Salmon and Veggies. Dinner shouldn't be a stressful scramble after a long day. Instead, it should be a time to unwind and enjoy a nutritious meal. This salmon and veggie recipe is quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something healthy but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. Plus, it's packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Ingredients: 1 pound salmon fillets, 1 cup chopped veggies, broccoli, carrots, asparagus, or any of your favorites. The more colorful, the better. Olive oil, salt, and pepper are all you need to bring out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that everything cooks evenly and comes out perfectly roasted. Place the salmon fillets and your choice of veggies on a baking sheet. Make sure to spread them out so they cook evenly. Drizzle everything with olive oil and season generously with salt and pepper. You can also add other herbs and spices if you like, such as garlic powder, paprika, or even a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The veggies should be tender and slightly caramelized. Enjoy your simple, healthy, and delicious dinner. Section 5. Snack Attack. Fruity Yogurt Parfait. Snack time should be about satisfying those cravings with healthy choices. Enter the yogurt parfait, a perfect blend of creamy, crunchy, and fruity goodness. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup granola, 1/2 cup berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Instructions: layer yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass or jar. Repeat layers for a more substantial snack. Grab and go whenever hunger strikes. Section 6. Meal prep. Like a pro. Tips and tricks. Meal prepping is a game changer. Here are a few tips to make it even easier. Plan your meals. Decide what you want to eat for the week and make a grocery list. Cook in bulk, double or triple recipes to save time and have leftovers. Invest in good containers. Glass containers are great for storing and reheating food. Label everything. Use masking tape and a marker to label your containers with the date. Section 7. Join the healthy eating journey. Starting the year with healthy habits sets the tone for a happier, healthier you. These easy meal prep ideas are just the beginning. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Ready for more delicious recipes and helpful tips? Subscribe to our newsletter. In conclusion, remember to stay healthy and enjoy your meals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal prep ideas and tips. See you next time.